Alright, boys. Here you go. Some carrots for you. Yeah, you're looking so good. Oh, so good. Oh, your mouths are full. Can you get it all?
Uh-oh.
You can't eat a whole carrot? Oh, here's my boys. Good boy. Good boy. Oh,
Well, what happened there, young horse lady?
Well, that was mean.
Oh, look who's behind you.
Oh, that's my Smoker Joe.
Smoker Joe.
Smoker Joe Tuck. No me here.
They just get really excited when they get carrots.
They love carrots. Yeah. Tuck, ears up, baby. You jealous? Are you jealous? This one's jealous. This was my first baby. This was my first baby. Look how mean he looks.
He doesn't look mean.
This is my second baby. My new baby. Don't be mean. Don't be mean. No, come on. Be a happy horse. Yeah, a happy horse.
Okay.
No.